Hello! To customize Always On Display on the Realme 14 Pro Plus, first of all you have to go into the settings. From here go into the wallpapers and style, and here we have Always On Display. And here we can set up the mode of Always On Display. Here is the seamless one, the default, and here is the classic. And as we go into the settings, here we can set up some display items, and for example here is the time, date, battery and notifications. As you can see, you can also set up some more information, and here that we can set up the music playback, as you can see, so we can see which music we are currently playing on our Always On Display. And also you can set up some display, we can set up the display some items from the supported applications. Next, we can also set up to show new notifications on Always On Display right here, and we can also change the display mode, the power saving, which will not always show the Always On Display, and here we can set up the scheduled Always On Display, and we can set it up for all day at all the times. And as we go down, here we have the recent Always On Display themes that we were using. Actually right here we have the themes, as you can see, and here are some personalized ones. Here as we go all the way to the right, we can also set up text and image, as you can see. And here are some system themes which come pre-installed with your phone. And as we go, for example, into analog clock, we can change the style of this analog clock right here, and we can also change the color of the text. This actually applies to all of the, you can do it in all of the themes actually. You can change the colors and some different stuff. So yeah, that's how to customize the Always On Display.